Guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. Today you are going to learn the step-by-step on how you can claim Lambo a free airdrop token, right? So I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end to see how you are going to claim it without making any mistake. As you know, that any coin that we drop here, whenever they get to the market, definitely you are going to claim it to BNB, just like this one on our channel that we just uploaded on the 25th of this month. That was on Christmas Day, right? So guys, now let's quickly go to how you are going to do it, the step-by-step on how to claim it, and make sure that you follow it strictly so that you don't make any mistake, as I said earlier. So this is the token information. This is the airdrop link. This is the contract address and the information of the token, right? And the name, the symbol, and the decimal. So now what we're going to do first is just to copy the airdrop link. That is the first thing that you're going to do after you have your Trust Wallet on your Android, and make sure that you have little BNB to pay the transaction fee, right, to Trust Wallet. So then the next thing you're going to do is just copy the link and you go to so you come to the Trust Wallet right here. Okay, so then the next thing you're gonna do on Trust Wallet is just to come to the tab right here. So just click on tab. Once you click on tab, you're gonna see search box just like this one right here. So then just paste the link there. Just paste the link, then click on done. So we are waiting for it to load properly, right? So we are waiting for it to load, and it's loading. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do after it finished loading is just to change this Ethereum icon. You're going to change it to smart chain icon. So this is the smart chain icon that I'm going to change it to. This one. So all you need to do is just to click smart chain, and as you can see that so you have to reload again. So fine, it has been done, so reloaded successfully, and as you can see that the icon has changed to smart chain wallet. Then now what we're going to do next is just to scroll down. We need to scroll down to see where the airdrop is. We are not here to buy but to claim the airdrop, right? So let's quickly claim the airdrop before we look into another things right here. So when I go do, you can see claim free airdrop 150 free Lambo, right? So just need to do is just to click on it. So once you click on it, then you will see connect, then click on connect. Once you click on connect, it's going to show you the transaction fee that you're going to pay. Then you see, let it finish loading. All right, so this is amount that we're gonna pay as a transaction fee. All right, so then the next thing you're gonna do is just to click on approve. All right, so it has been done successfully like that. So then the next thing that you are going to do is just to go back to the information and copy the contract address. So just copy the contract address. Then we have to go back to the Trust Wallet. When you get back to Trust Wallet, make sure that you go back home. So then the next thing that you are going to do is just to click on this two lines that is at that edge. So just click on it. Then you have to scroll down. You have to scroll down very well. Then when you finish scrolling down, then you're going to see add custom token. So what you're going to do is just to click on add custom token. When you say add custom token, then you're going to change the Ethereum. You're going to change it to smart chain. Just click on it, click on that Ethereum, then you see a drop down. Then you're going to choose just a smart chain. So just click on choose a smart chain. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on paste right here. So it will paste the info. You can see this one has pop up like which Lambo at everything like that. So then the next thing I'm gonna do is just to click on done right here. So you can see, click on done. So it will show us how many WLB that you're gonna, you can see that it's 150 that you just claimed right now, and you can claim it on limited time. Yes, you can claim it on limited time. It depends on how much that you are having on your BNB. That's just like the video that I showed you when I was talking earlier. Suppose that some people claim it unlimited, they know how much they will have banked when they get listed on the 25th of December, which is yesterday. All right, so then guys, you can claim this unlimited time. It depends on how much that you have on your BNB, on your how many BNB that you have on your Trust wallet. And what you need to do is just to go through the same process all over again and again and again. All right, so now let's see little things about this Lambo. So let's see little things about this Lambo. Let's see if we can see any information about it right now. You can go through their white paper about their, to read about their project right here. Then let's see that this thing is going in the next 6 days, so you have to be fast. Okay, you have to be very, very fast, because it's going to end. They are going to stop this airdrop in the next 6 days. They're going to stop this airdrop, and the listing price is 0.5, which is $75 by the time they get to the market, right? So it's going to be 0.5 per token, and it's going to be, so, and they are giving us free token of about 150. So if you start claiming now, if you claim if you claim 1,000 tokens, you know how much it's going to be. That is $500. If you claim 2,000 tokens, if you claim 5,000 tokens, it depends on you. By the time I stop this video, of course, I'm going to claim more. I'm going to claim more tokens by the time I stop this video. But I'm just trying to let you see what you're supposed to do, right? So if you have money, make sure that you claim this token very well. Make sure that you claim it unlimited time, depending on how much that you have. Then you can join their Telegram channel and Telegram group, and follow them on Instagram as well. All right, so then you can also share it with your friend. By the time you are sharing with your friend, you also earn more. All right, you also earn more. So that is what I have for you about this token, right? What I have for you about this token. So I love to claim free airdrop instead of buying those tokens. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Please click on the subscription button and click on the notification bells, because next year is going to be wow, right? And I don't want you to even miss any of my video that I will be dropping on this channel. And by the time you click on the notification bell and subscription button and notification bell, YouTube will be updating you that we just drop a new content, so you'll be the first person to watch the content and quickly make money from it. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.